To reset your Discord password if you've forgotten it, follow these steps. Go to the Discord login page. Open Discord on your desktop, browser, or mobile app. You'll see the Forgot Your Password option. Click it to initiate the reset process. On the password reset page, enter the email address associated with your Discord account and click Send Reset Link. Discord will send you an email with a link to reset your password. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your main inbox. In the email, you'll find a button or a link labeled Reset Password. Click on it to be directed to a new page. On the reset page, enter a new password that meets Discord's security requirements. Confirm the new password by typing it again. After resetting your password, you can immediately log in with your new credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to enter the authentication code sent to your device or app before completing the reset.